Hello, I'm Ed Stritch, current board member of H.A.S, and I would like to thank H.A.S and its CEO Marco Giacomi for selecting me to be this year's honoree for the Golf Fore Recovery event. I'm also the president and CEO of the Concord Group, which is a construction consulting firm I founded about 25 years ago, providing services in the area of construction project management, construction cost management, energy program management, and numerous construction real estate advisory services. We have offices in the Midwest and soon to open an office in Atlanta, Georgia. As I mentioned, I'm a board member with H.A.S, and I have been for the last 3 or 4 years, but my connection with H.A.S goes back further than that. I served on the foundation board at Norwegian American Hospital with Marco 10-12 years ago, and going back 10-12 years I have supported H.A.S's golf outing and learned about H.A.S's mission and through my friendship with Marco. When Marco asked me to be a member of the board a few years back, I didn't hesitate, being familiar with their mission and the good work that they do. I was honored to be asked to serve on the board. I also have a personal connection to the mission of H.A.S. As it turns out, my younger brother, who lives in Ireland, suffered since his late teens through till today in his early 60s with bipolar disorder. He's been very fortunate to have the support of good governmental programs in Ireland and a national healthcare system that provided him with the necessary support to live a very fulfilled life to this point. H.A.S provides a number of sustainable programs in the areas of mental health and behavioral health to individuals, families and communities, and it's also important to note that they have never not provided a service to anyone who maybe would have an inability to pay for its services. H.A.S also gets some government support through government programs such as Medicare, Medicaid, and reimbursements from private health insurance organizations, but it does rely to a great extent on the generosity of philanthropic organizations as well as corporations and individuals for the funds that it needs to carry out its programs. The annual Golf Fore Recovery event has typically raised over $100,000 in the 12+ years that it's been in existence. Unfortunately this year, due to the coronavirus that we're all having to deal with, H.A.S has had to cancel this event, and in lieu of an actual golf event, we're engaging in a virtual fundraising event to raise some of the funds that we would otherwise have raised if we had the event in person. Our target is $80,000, and to date we've raised through the generosity of individuals and sponsors, we've raised a good chunk of that money, but we're hoping that over the next couple of weeks that we will be able to meet our target. Next year, it is the hope that we will be back in person with the event, and we look forward to seeing you all then. Thank you for your time, and stay safe, wear a mask.